7 ways to use your power. No matter your position at work or in life, you can access different types of power other than the power that comes with a title or wealth. Which types of power are you using? Oprah Winfrey explained that when people speak about power, they are generally referring to the dominant view of having power over others, or getting people to do what you want them to do. Oprah didn't like that sense of power, but when she finally realised her power was to have an impact that benefited others, then she fell in love with the idea of being powerful. Instead of having power over people, she uses her power for people. Power over others is vertical, looking down on them. Power as impact is horizontal, influencing the world outward from where we stand. Whether you are impacting your family, your work group, your community, or the world, you are wielding your power. The more you accept that you are powerful, the more good you can do. Also, power doesn't have to be aggressive or even visible. You can powerfully create and impact change without attracting attention to yourself if you choose. Choose how to use your power. Which power do you use? Could you amp up your power when needed, or switch your approach if what you are doing isn't working? Do you know when you're giving your power away? Let's discuss different types of power. Number 1. Power over. This is where you force or convince people to behave a specific way using threats, conditional rewards or facts, often one-sided, that prove your point. Number 2. Positional power. This is when others comply with your decisions and suggestions due to your title, job responsibility, or recognised expertise. Number 3. Relational power. This is when others accept your decisions and suggestions because they trust your perspective, appreciate how you treat them, and they like being with you. Number 4. Inspirational power. This is when you achieve a desired result by inspiring, encouraging, and giving hope to others. Often, others are attracted to your values, ethical stance, and vision. People believe as you do and want what you want. Number 5. Altruistic power. This is when you work hard to create an environment or circumstances where others can realise their power or potential. They achieve their goals because of the path or foundation you laid. Number 6. Empowerment. This is when you transfer responsibility and full authority to a person or group. You then operate to support the development and use of their power. Number 7. Relinquish power. This is when you give up your power to others, either willingly or due to your fear of consequences. There are times you might choose to put your energy elsewhere, deciding it is not worth it to you to defend your power. Can you consciously choose what power to wield in a situation? Although you might prefer to develop relational or inspirational power, there are times when you need to exert power over others. Ask any parent or manager who catches an employee breaking a safety rule. Sometimes you urgently need to make and implement a decision. These events could require you to use positional power. Do you know when using positional power or power over is helpful or harmful to your long-term impact? Altruistic power and empowerment is effective when you believe that a person or team can accomplish great results with your support instead of your direct participation. You may choose to relinquish power if the fight isn't worth your time and energy. However, you must first claim that you have power before you can give it away. Then you're making a choice that serves you, instead of giving in to someone else's push for power. Defining the type of power to use in a given situation will help you to fully embrace your power. Answering these questions will help. What will it take for you to admit that you have talents, skills, and wisdom that people admire and recognise? What will it take for you to feel pride for the impact you have on others, or for your contribution in the success of a situation. People become really quite remarkable when they start thinking they can do things. Also, when you embrace your power, you are better able to empower others. Your acceptance of your power gives other people permission to accept their own. There is real beauty in using or transferring power consciously with good intent. Claim your right to choose how to use power today. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video and let me know what you would like to see next and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.